I'm going to tell you how to satisfy a woman as a 2 minute man. If you struggle with quick ejaculation, I am going to show you how you can satisfy a woman as a 2 minute man. Hi, my name is Esther Sunday, your radio girl. I'm back with a good and a different background and a good sound. How you all doing? Today's video is going to be very, very interesting. It's going to be naughty, freaky, just like you people call it. But I promise you, it's going to help one or two person out there who is struggling to satisfy a woman. You know how it feels whenever you want to pleasure your woman, and in 2 minutes you're out, and the woman is sad. And oh no, and I know that most men in this category feel really bad. They feel really bad. And I'm going to tell you because I'm speaking, I'm the mouthpiece of all the women out there telling you that you don't have to satisfy a woman in 1 hour. So these are ways that you can please a woman. I'm going to make this content as conversational as it should be. Like, just see me as your gist partner. So one thing you need to, I'm sweating actually, and I don't want to put on the fan. So here are ways that you can satisfy a woman as a 2 minute man. So if you're a man who struggle to please a woman in bed, like 2 minutes you're done, it's not just all about penetrating, bringing your banana out and you have released, which is what they call ejaculation. So it's not just all about that, okay? Satisfaction is all about making the woman feel good, pleasuring your partner. So one of the things that I feel like you should master, like you should have your A game in it, is foreplay. If you know that if you penetrate within 2 minutes, you are done. You shouldn't be in a hurry to penetrate inside your woman's VJ and then 2 minutes you're done. I feel like when you start making love to your partner, you should spend more time in, spend more time engage in foreplay. Foreplay, which is romance, like kiss your woman, suck her boobs. If she likes it when you suck her two oranges, you can do that. Spend more time in foreplay, engage in foreplay, like spend more time, caressing her body, romancing her body. And I'm going to tell you one of the ways that you spot when a woman likes to be touched in a setting or a particular place. Okay. Now, let's say for example, when you are, in that moment that you and your partner you are doing the do now, and you're kissing her, like you're holding her, you're pressing her butt or doing one or two things. Now women respond or women react differently when you touch certain part of their body. I'm so sorry if I'm not looking at the lens. I'm struggling. So women react differently. Not every woman like it when you, like, touch their two oranges. For two oranges, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using like other words so that this video will not be demonetized when I eventually get monetized. So let's say for example, now some women kissing turn them on. If you kiss for a very long period of time, you could get the woman wet and in the mood. So for some other women, the two oranges, when you touch two oranges, play with their nipples, suck their two oranges, it gets them really turned on. Why for some women, when you suck down below or touch down below or even finger down below, it gets them really wet and turn on easily. So while you're playing, caressing your woman, romancing your woman, when you notice that when you play with her oranges, the nipples, and you you know you notice that her reaction is quite different when you actually touch the down below or kiss her neck, then you should know that that's the spot that she likes to be really touched. So you should spend more time engaging in foreplay. Engage her in the places that she loves to be touched. The places that she loves to be touched. If it's her boobs, engage more on that part. If it's the VJ, go down there, play with it, suck it, finger it, do whatever you can do to make sure that this woman is halfway, like she's half satisfied, okay? And now, before you penetrate, ensure that this woman is wet. Yes, like she's crazily in the mood. It's going to help you because you do not want to get satisfied and your partner is not satisfied. You know how embarrassing it can be when you just penetrate 2 minutes, you're done. If it see, or more, A lot of men don't like it when women tell them to their faces that, oh my god, not again. You feel down, you feel like your ego has they've removed your they've removed your cap from your head. Like you feel so embarrassed, to be very honest. That's why you see a lot of men going out there to take things that will make them last long in bed. But I'm going to tell you, it's not all about taking those things that will make you last long in bed. You can go there now and take them. They will increase your strength to match your partner's energy, but your partner along the line, they might not even enjoy it. So long hour of pleasure does not equate to satisfaction for women. Okay, it's just all about understanding your woman's body, know where she likes and loves to be touched. Engage more in foreplay. If you're a 2 minute man, engage more in foreplay. Touch the most sensitive parts that whenever you touch it, she reacts to it. Okay, and engage more. Like play with that particular part of her body that she enjoys to be touched. When you're done playing with it, and not that part of a woman's body that gets a lot of women so crazy and a lot of men don't even know is when you play with the woman's clitoris. Hi, I cannot overemphasize on this part of a woman's body because I don't think there's anyone in this life that if you play with their clitoris, they don't like it. Before you penetrate, use your D. You know what I mean now? Use your D like your cup. Use it to play with the clitoris a little bit and then penetrate gently. And let me tell you, okay, I know that some of you will want your woman to like play with you like oral sex. Let me not use the word sex. Oral, you know what I'm talking about now. Oral knacking. Some of you want oral knacking, which is oral knacking is when you use your mouth to actually satisfy your partner before penetration. Like you use your mouth to, suck the woman's down below. The woman use her mouth to, suck your banana. Some of you want to get oral pleasure back from your partner. As a 2 minute man, do not allow your woman to suck you. Yes, because if she sucks you, you're going to get quick erection. Excuse me, erection is different from ejaculation. Ejaculation is when you release, erection is when you get your joysticks to stand, your D. Do you understand? Because if she sucks you during this foreplay, the tendency that you or your D is going to erect just immediately, and you might even release instantly while she's playing with you. So your goal is to satisfy her. Maybe when she's satisfied, you can tell her to come and play with your joystick and then you get released. That's like after you've pleasured her. So while you're playing with her, touching her, I'm sweating, you guys. Please just pardon. I don't want to turn on the fan so that I will not sweat the more. This is what goes as content creator. I don't want the fan to distract my audio. So while you're playing with her, like you're playing with her, engaging in foreplay, please avoid being touched by your partner for that moment. Yes. Avoid being touched because you're a 2 minute man. If she's trying to drag you, tell her to hold on. You want to make her feel good. You want to make her feel like a woman. Just engage in foreplay. Very importantly, the sense, the like that part of her body that she responds to when you touch her, she responds to, she really likes it. If you don't want to go and ask your partner, where do you like being touched? Where do you feel like if I touch you, you're going to really enjoy it? If you know this already, I've already explained to you. When you touch a woman's boob, she doesn't respond. Know that place is not the part that she likes being touched. Then when you touch down below, she responds, or when you sit, kiss her neck, she responds. Then know that part. Just caress her body, lay your concentration on the parts that she likes or she enjoys being touched. And when you do that for a very long period of time, your partner is halfway in the mood. They are wet. Let me tell you, you suck a VJ dry till it becomes wet. You do not suck a wet VJ. When a VJ is wet, they don't really need you to suck it. It's time for you to just penetrate and do the job. But avoid being touched by your partner unless you know that you've satisfied your partner through foreplay, like it's halfway satisfied. Then you know that it's time for you to penetrate. You cannot allow your partner, give you oral sex. Do you understand? You can allow your partner to, suck your D, and then suck your D. Once you know, don't allow them to suck the D to the point where you're very, very close to releasing. Okay, you're very, very close to coming. You know what come is now. Allow them to suck it and let it erect. Once you know that it's erect, your partner, you've already, play with their body. You touch their body, caress their body, touch the most important part, and they're not begging you to come in. Guy, once you by that time, so as you're playing with them, you are doing it, your body they don't stand. You understand? And then you can now tell them to, if you enjoy being If you enjoy when your partner gives you head as a man, you can now tell them to come in and give you head or play with your joystick. Please do not let them do it for too long so you will not come on top of their palm. Remember, you have not penetrated. You just only have to concentrate on playing with your body so that they'll be halfway gone. So when you play with your body and you feel and you see that, oh, um you're now in the mood, like the D don't stand. If the D don't already stand, if you know that you're already in the mood, like you like gain erection during you pleasuring your partner during foreplay, there's no need for you to do all of that. Okay, just go and penetrate gently. And even when you come 2 minutes, nobody's angry at you, because you know why? You've already pleasured your partner even without penetration. I'm preaching. You've already make your partner feel so good even without penetrating. Okay, and that way you are fine. Your partner is fine. Nobody's complaining. Everybody's doing okay. Let me tell you, satisfying a woman does not have to. It doesn't lie, or it doesn't equate to the long period of pleasure. It's just knowing.
So I forgot to include this. I forgot to say that when you penetrate, ensure you do not hit your woman too fast. The faster you get, the tendency that you're going to come really quick. So when you penetrate, the thing you need to do is, go in slowly, gently, and when you notice that she's responding, she's enjoying you, then you can go faster. Okay, because when you go faster, you release too early.
How to touch the right places, the most sensitive part where they want to be touched. Understand their body language and go with the flow, and then you're okay. Foreplay should be your A game, and concentrate on the places that your partner love to be touched. Am I making sense? Did you learn one or two things from this video? Let me know. And if this video gets up to 2,000 views in less than 2 weeks, trust me, I will teach you something new again. So I remain your homegirl, Esther Sunday. This content, I don't care how you see it, if it's too vulgar, but I believe it's very educational. And there are so many people in their marriages who are struggling to, satisfy their partner. I don't want your wife to be cheating. I don't want your girlfriend to be complaining to me, complaining to her friends. That's why I'm bringing you this content, to help you enhance your pleasure life, to help you enhance your room 306. So let me know if you learned something. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.